If your business is built on reliability and satisfied customers, why does your online advertising deliver so little in return? Last month, we took over a Google AdWords account for a junk removal business serving Indianapolis that had burned through $3,000 with nothing to show for it. By shifting the ad spend away from irrelevant clicks and towards real qualified demand, we have donated 65 leads for under $1,000 in terms of the ad spend. Most business owners believe that if they throw enough money at Google AdWords, the platform will eventually figure it out. But Google does not think like that. And if you think Google is your partner, you are committing a big mistake. I am saying this because I have seen Google AdWords create wasted spending, misleading dashboards, and decisions made on smoke. And if you hope that it will itself create a demand for your service, then you are absolutely wrong. I am telling this by experience because one of our clients' business was built on convenience, reliability, and customer satisfaction, but their online ads was delivering far fewer results than what they have deserved. Imagine having no lead even after spending more than $3,290. This is what Google Ads delivered on its own. But 1 month of working with the right experts provided clarity that Google never showed. With this strategy, we gave almost 65 qualified leads while spending barely $1,000. Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I have been overseeing the paid ads department at Softrix for over 17 years, and today I will show you how a poor campaign structure spreads all your budget across the irrelevant clicks. This time our client in action is a junk removal and recycling service that helps customers with all kinds of cleanup projects. Whether you have small household appliances or big heavy furniture, they handle it all. Their promise is simple but strong: build your appointment today and have your junk gone by tomorrow. But when they came to us, their online advertising was not delivering any results. When this client first approached us, they were at a breaking point. Their Google AdWords account was in complete disarray and nothing seemed to be working. Campaigns was running, money was being spent, but there was no clear direction or the measurable outcome. The client was frustrated because GA4 and the GTM tracking were broken, which meant they could not see where their leads were coming from. To make the matters worse, conversions were being recorded as simple page views rather than the actual leads. Imagine spending thousands of dollars and just not even knowing if the clicks were turning into the actual customers. That's what the reality they were facing. At that time, the client was spending around $3,290, but they had no clear conversions to show for it. The campaigns themselves were basic, poorly structured, and lacked any real strategy. Keywords were mismatched, ad copies were weak, site links were missing, and there was no planning guiding the account. Irrelevant clicks were draining the budget, and even the few leads that trickled in were not being tracked properly due to broken GA4 and the GTM setup. Every day felt like wasted efforts, and the client had almost lost confidence in the Google AdWords altogether. But then they found us, and as we took access to the Google AdWords account, we immediately did a deep audit, and that revealed exactly why the client was struggling. The campaigns were scattered, budgets were being wasted, and there was no alignment between the keywords, ad copies, and the landing pages. It was clear that the account was not just underperforming, it was fundamentally broken, and the only way forward was to rebuild everything from the ground up. So after presenting a clear plan of action, we began by restructuring the campaigns with a focus purely on the lead generation. The priority was to save the budget. We have cut down the wasteful spending and redirected redirected funds toward areas that had the potential to perform. Then we have refined the keyword match type to ensure the ads were only triggered by relevant searches, eliminating the broad matches that had been draining the account. Alongside this, we have rewrote the ad copies to make them sharper, much more persuasive, and aligned with the client's goals. We have introduced the site links to give the ads more depth and visibility, making them more engaging for potential leads. Fixing GA4 and the Google Tag Manager tracking was another critical step. Once we have repaired the tracking, every click and the lead was now being measured accurately. This gave the client full visibility into the performance and allowed us to make data-driven decisions. With proper tracking in place, the campaigns finally had structure, clarity, and the accountability. The transformation was so remarkable that within just 1 month, the client began receiving around 65 qualified leads by spending only $995. This made the cost per conversion of one lead at barely $15.32. Leads began flowing in consistently, and the client could see exactly how their budgets was being used. The frustration that had defined their experience with the Google AdWords turned into confidence. They now had a system that worked, a strategy that delivered, and campaigns that generated the real results. What started as a broken account with no plan became a lead generation engine built on strong foundations. This is how budgeting, refining keywords, optimizing the ad copies, and fixing tracking make up for a powerful growth tool, and the journey from frustration to success was achieved. From our junk truck client, the transformation was not just about the numbers, it was about restoring the confidence in the digital marketing. This is a proof that a business could thrive in any competitive market with the right approach and turn a struggling business into a success story. My final message to you is simple. If your service is in demand, you only need result-oriented and data-driven campaigns to deliver the results that make growth not only possible but inevitable. Lastly, thank you for watching this case study. If you think your paid ads campaign are also misaligned, contact us through our website or drop a WhatsApp message at the number shown on your screen. We will continue to bring the real-life examples in your feed and turn challenges into opportunities with the right strategies. So see you in the next one.